So for this video, we will solve this integral of x raised to 4 plus x minus 4 over x squared plus 2 dx. So the first that you have to take note is, as you can see, the exponent po dito sa taas is 4. Exponent dito, pinakamataas dito sa denominator is 2. So if that is the case, what you have to do is to use or to do long division first before you proceed to integrating your function. So maglo-long division tayo. So it's x raised to 4 plus x minus 4, okay, all over, okay, long division, so that's x squared plus 2. So let's first move it sa baba para may space tayo for the answer. Ganyan. Okay? So, divide natin. X raised to 4 divided by x squared. So that is, of course, x squared. Okay? Then, we have x squared times x squared tapos x squared times 2. Ganon. So, x squared times x squared is x raised to 4. Tapos x squared times 2 is, of course, 2x squared. So, plus 2x squared. And then, we have to subtract. So, pag magsasubtract kayo, make sure that you put a parenthesis para you will not be confused. Okay, so x raised to 4 over x raised to 4, of course, that's 0. Then, we have here x squared to, tapos ito raised to 1. So, you're not allowed to subtract that one. So, what you will do is to copy. Take note then na itong negative dito, kaya naging 0 sa x raised to 4 o minus x raised to 4 kasi, di ba, we will distribute the negative. So, basically, itong c2x squared, magiging negative din yan siya. So, dito sa baba, that will become negative 2x squared. Tapos, copy natin to, no? X, okay, plus x minus 4. And then, we will divide again the negative 2x squared ni x squared. So, of course, that is negative 2. So, we have here negative 2. Then, we will multiply again negative 2 dito and dito. So, isa-isahin. Negative 2 times x squared is negative, okay, 2x squared. At tapos, negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. So, ilalagay natin dito yung negative 4. And don't forget, we will subtract that. So, pag subtract minus, negative times negative, it will become positive, di ba? And ito rin, negative times negative, magiging positive din yan siya. So, if we will subtract itong negative 2x squared and positive 2x squared, it will become 0. Tapos si x, bring down lang natin kasi wala namang x dyan. So, that's positive x. Then, we have here negative 4 plus 4 is, of course, that is 0. Okay? So, ang final answer natin, in this case, it is now integral of itong answer mo, which is x squared minus 2 plus, kasi positive yung ating remainder na x, so plus x all over yung divisor mo na x squared plus 2. Okay? dx. So, you can now integrate it directly. Now, take note na if mag-integrate ka, ito, you can integrate it directly at ito din, you can integrate it directly. So, the answer there sa integration niya is x cubed over 3. Tapos, the integral of negative 2 is negative 2x. Now, this portion here, you have to do u substitution. So, you have to, hindi natin ilagay sa taas. Let u be equal to x squared plus 2, yung nasa denominator. So, the derivative niyan is 2x dx. Okay, and take note, we have x dx here. Ito, so we will just divide it by 2 so that the x dx na nasa numerator is actually equal to du over 2. So, magiging this portion here will become, so let's write it here, that will be plus, that's the integral of, okay, lagay natin dito, 1/2, kasi may over 2. So that's 1/2. So ilalagay natin sa labas. Integral of du over u. So we know that the integral of du over u is ln u. So the final answer now dito is x cubed over 3 minus 2x plus 1/2 ln of u. What is your u? Itong x squared plus 2. So that's x squared plus 2 plus c. So meron na po kayong final answer.